Hi, AT from CNC at Home. I was going through my material and I saw a tile that was coated with cold galvanizing compound. It was just one tile and I decided I was just going to do something weird with it. I went to the internet and I looked up images that were square and funky. And I got quite a few results. This is the image that I ended up selecting. Okay, we can see it on the screen here. It's a little bit small, and I'm going to put it on a tile, and I want to make sure it fits the complete tile, so I'm going to go slightly bigger. I'm going to go 110 by 110. I also want to do this as a vector, so I'm going to right-click and tell it to trace image. On the trace image, this is very good contrast, so it's selecting everything just like I want it. I'll go ahead and click OK. Well, let me delete the image after. Click OK. And here we have our vector. We can see that by just going to lines. We can see that that actually is a vector. I'm going to pop it down in the lower left corner. Let's zoom in on that. Don't stare at it. You'll probably start getting dizzy. I'll go to my materials, tile, and I should have cold galvanizing compound, fill. I'll assign that. That's really all we need to do. This should burn out nicely, so let's go ahead and head over to the laser and see how that works out. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Well, that looked like it turned out well. I did take it over and get it all cleaned up, and this is what it looks like. Boy, if that doesn't make you dizzy. Anyway, it turned out great. The cold galvanizing compound doesn't leave as rough of a surface, so it's nice and smooth. It's not quite as black as the titanium dioxide does, but it's a good product when it's done. So that'll be a fun coaster. I'll get a cork back put on that at some point and go from there. Who knows where it'll end up. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. That always helps us out. And if you like the content of our channel, think about subscribing. Enjoy doing your CNC at home projects.